Hello and welcome to another video. Today we will be unboxing this FRITZ box 7530. We need to undo this. There we go, and then we can open it. Okay, so let's continue to open it. So we've got instructions for the complete home networking thing. Let's get you started guide. The FRITZ box itself. Oh, it's the HM. Our original one was a KH, because this is a replacement for our one that broke. It just wouldn't connect to the ISP. So we're now using that as a mesh networking thing, because that part of it works perfectly. How to get out of there. To the packet. Let's get out of the packaging. There we go. And then we've got this peel. There we go. To the side. Oh, to the side. We've got a RJ45 to whatever this is. We've got a phone changing thing. And then we've got that kind of plug to that kind of plug.